Welcome back to Motor Insight, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews and insights from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Husqvarna FC450 Factory Edition, a dirt bike that blends raw motocross power with factory-level upgrades. This isn't just a machine to ride, it's a weapon built for riders who want to dominate the track right out of the crate. Design and styling. The 2026 FC450 Factory Edition showcases Husqvarna's racing heritage with sharp body lines and a striking color scheme of blue, white, and yellow. Its slim bodywork and lightweight frame allow easy rider movement, while the premium graphics give it a factory race team appearance. The ergonomics have been refined, with a narrower seat and redesigned plastics for improved rider grip, making it feel comfortable during long motos and aggressive cornering. Engine and performance. At its core is a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine designed to deliver top-level motocross performance. The bike produces explosive acceleration while maintaining smooth and predictable power delivery. Engineers have tuned it for strong torque across the rev range, giving riders the ability to clear big jumps, attack straight sections, and exit corners with authority. Despite its raw performance, the power delivery is manageable, making it suitable for professional racers and advanced riders pushing for podium finishes. Technology and features. The Factory Edition isn't just about raw power, it's loaded with technology. Riders get multiple engine maps, launch control, and traction control, giving them the flexibility to adapt to different tracks and weather conditions. A quick-shifter system provides seamless upshifts without clutch use, saving precious milliseconds during races. Factory upgrades such as anodized triple clamps, a gripper seat, and Dirt Star wheels enhance durability and performance. Price in USA. The 2026 Husqvarna FC450 Factory Edition sits at the premium end of the motocross spectrum, and for good reason. In the United States, it is expected to be priced between $12,500 and $13,000, reflecting its exclusive factory upgrades and race-ready build. While it comes at a higher cost, riders are essentially getting a competition-level machine without the need for aftermarket modifications. Final thoughts. The 2026 Husqvarna FC450 Factory Edition is more than just another dirt bike, it's a finely tuned race machine built to meet the demands of professional riders. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, factory-installed upgrades, and championship-proven suspension, this bike stands out as one of the most complete packages in modern motocross. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Husqvarna FC450 Factory Edition. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on the latest motorcycles, don't forget to subscribe to Motor Insight, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.